Oh, hello lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel today. And if you are just seeing this video for the first time, please do well to subscribe, comment, like and share so we can grow. Thank you. In this video I'll be showing you how I prepared Ofada sauce, Ofada rice sauce. This is very delicious, yummy, and you can never do without it. Once you try this method I will show you here, I'm sure by the end of this video you'll be able to make this perfect, yummy, delicious Ofada sauce. These are the pepper I got, and then ginger garlic added to it. I thoroughly washed up by removing the seeds of the green pepper, the bigger green pepper. I removed the seed before using it. This is because the seed gets to be bitter and reduces the taste of whatever you are cooking, if I'm not mistaken. That's how it does to my own food. I don't know about you, but try removing it next time if you are using it for stew or this kind of sauce. Let's proceed there. So after I had washed all, I went ahead to blend all together. Pepper, all kinds of my pepper, adding the onions and even the spring onions. I blended everything to a very smooth consistency and then dried it the way you dry your tomatoes. Like if you want to make sauce or stew with your tomatoes, you know, we usually dry it just like our normal stew. Yes, let me use that word. You can see in this video. So in a very hot oil, I went ahead to add my onions, the dried pepper mix with onions and all that. Fried it till the oil comes up. Then that's it. Basically, the sauce is very simple to make, my dear. Go ahead and add any seasoning of your choice, but in this video I didn't use much seasonings. I just added my seasoning cube and salt, crayfish, and then went ahead to add my stock water and then the meat. You can use any meat of your choice. I used normal beef and stock fish, ice fish, more, and the rest of it. So you can use anything of your choice. My friend, my stew is ready. You can use this stew for normal rice, Ofada sauce, beans, or any other thing. But one thing about this stew or this sauce is that it's very rich in vitamin C. You know, I used basically pepper to do this, to make this sauce, and pepper is a very rich source of vitamin C. As you can see, our sauce is ready. Bring your plate, bring your spoon, let's eat together because I made this for you, my friend. Thank you for watching till this moment, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, just that I may be able and encouraged to show you more of my kitchen tips. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.